Junkyard heart, left to rust away. Junkyard heart, we've seen better days. Junkyard heart, yes, this is the end. We're left alone, we haven't got a friend. I wandered by a junkyard in a little town one day. Thought about all that scrap left to rust away. As I stood there all alone, this thought came to me. My heart and that junkyard are very much alike, you see. For we both at one time had been new and had a worthy purpose, only to be torn apart and left to ruin as surplus. Once we were cradled and caressed with the kind of love a kid would give a brand new toy. But the new wore off and we were junked, as if we'd never brought any joy. Junkyard heart, left to rust away. Junkyard heart, starting to decay. Junkyard heart, yes, this is the end. We're left alone, we haven't got a friend. It would do no good for us to cry. Tears would just be a waste of time. I lost my heart, and you lost some parts, and neither one of us is worth a dime. Whole heap of junk that we are. Seems we never got very far. But I hope our use hasn't all been spent, though my heart is wrecked and your steel is bent. For there has to be a kindly soul somewhere along life's way who will perhaps come along and salvage us someday. Junkyard heart, left to rust away. Junkyard heart, we've seen better days. Junkyard heart, guess this is the end. We're left alone, we haven't got a friend.